AI influencers are taking over.
Hi guys, I'm so glad the anonymous AI plug created me so I can show you how cool I am.
In this video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step process on how you can make your very own realistic AI influencer to take advantage of the AI gold rush, using just one tool in under 5 minutes. Across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, AI influencers are blowing up right now. One AI model made over $200,000 in just a few months. Another creator launched an AI fitness page and gained 12,000 followers almost instantly. And brands? They're already choosing digital creators over real people. It's one of the biggest opportunities right now. If you don't want to miss out, let me walk you through exactly how to do this. I've personally tested multiple different AI tools, and honestly, this one tool is by far one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly AI platforms for generating images and videos right now. And before we start, if you want to join my free AI influencer workshop, where I show you how to create, monetize, and scale your very own AI influencer, then check out the link in my bio. Now let's jump into the tool so I can show you how this works. All right, so first thing you want to do is head over to freepik.com and go to the image generator. Now you'll need to select your model. Personally, I recommend using Google Nano Banana 2. In my opinion, it gives the best results. Next, choose your style. For this, we're going with photo since we're creating a realistic base image for our influencer. Then click Add. Now you can create a character from an existing image if you already have one. Just make sure you have permission to use it. That way you can reuse that character across your images. But for this example, I'm going to generate a brand new image using a prompt I got from ChatGPT. So I'll paste the prompt in, click Generate, and let's see what we get. Once it's done, you'll see we now have a realistic AI influencer that we can use in different scenarios. Now I'm going to show you how to create the same character in any scenario you want. For this, you can click on the image you created and click Use as Reference to apply that same character. For this one, I'm going for a beach scene. And as you can see, it's the same character, same face, same style, just a different setting and outfit. Now let's turn this into a video. First, download the image, then head over to the video section. Select your model for videos. I recommend Kling 2.6. Next, upload your image as the reference. Now describe the scene. In this case, I'm using a ChatGPT prompt of her walking along the beach. I'll set the format, then click Generate, and that's it. You now have a realistic AI influencer with images and video content ready to use and scale. This is how you can start building your own AI influencer. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. And if you would like to join my free AI influencer workshop, where I teach you in more detail how to build, scale, and automate your very own AI influencer, then click the link in the description.